Hey Bruce, I have your alien done. So I was pretty excited to build this. It has some pretty good parts, and I've never actually even built an alien before. I have done a couple of clone ones, like shit, what's that one called? Damn it, I can't think of the name of it. I just did it. I did it recently. It was that budget build that I did. Can't think of the name of it though. But yeah, it looks exactly like this. But, you know, of course, Impulse RC has much higher quality. Everything goes together much smoother, and everything just feels higher quality. But anyway, yeah, so this is the Impulse RC alien frame. You got the T-Motor F40 Pro 2s, the 2600 kV. And I thought it was funny, the color of these. Shit, what was it called? Damn it, I'm gonna have to look it up because it had my name in it. Damn it, what was it? Adam something gray. T-Motor F40 Adamantium. See, it says right there, Adamantium. Adamantium gray. Yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, you got these motors. They're pretty sweet. They're so smooth, man. Just so smooth. I really like the aliens PDBs that they have. So they have like all colors now, so you can, you know, match up your quad. I just got the black one because black goes with everything. But it's nice. It's like this flat black. I actually didn't even use this besides for the XT60. So I just ran battery cables from the 4-in-1 down to the PDB, and then, you know, just soldered up the XT60 there. So yeah, other than that, it's not even being used besides, you know, holding the frame together. And then you have, so here is another one of these stacks. This is the one I was talking about recently. This is the Hobby Wing X-Rotor F4 G2 with the 40 amp. Is it 40? Yeah, 40 amp 4-in-1. And I was going to do a giveaway. I still am doing that, but I have that going on another frame. I'll show you real quick. And I'm not just talking to you, Bruce. So I'm building this one for somebody else that has the same stack. This is actually the TBS Source 1 frame. And it's pretty nice. When I put it together, I was like, damn, this thing's a tank, man. It's so thick. Even the top plate is like 2 or 2.5 millimeter. It's crazy. But yeah, this will be coming up soon. Building this for Jeremy. So anyway, yeah, you got that same stack in here. Because after I saw it, when Hobby Wing actually sent it to me for review and whatnot, just seeing it made me want to put it on somebody else's quad. So I bought another one just for this quad because it's just such a nice stack. And then you also have the new Eagle Pro, Eagle 2 Pro, or maybe it's the Eagle Pro. Pro is the 2, I guess, or something. I don't know. It's kind of weird how Impulse RC has you mount the camera. Like, you gotta take the screws out of the back plate and then screw in their own little carbon piece with these plastic pieces and stuff. And it worked okay with the Eagle, but like for the Eagle, there's 2 different plugs. There's the one on the left that has the video and power and ground, and then the one on the right that has like for the OSD. Yeah, hold on. That kind of got covered over, so it still works, but you know, if you're gonna want to use the OSD controller, then you have to take that back piece off, which kind of sucks. But anyway, and then you got Crossfire Micro. Yeah, Crossfire Micro. I put a giant cap on here. That's the one that comes with the stack. I got you a Session 5 like you wanted. And I got the Brain 3D accessory kit for this frame, which includes the arm protectors. Man, Brain 3D does such a nice job. I mean, look at these prints. They're just amazing. Just perfect. Yeah, you get those, and then you get the session mount, or they also have the regular GoPro mount that you can use. And then you have your choices of what you want for the back. So there's this, that's for the Axie, but the Lollipop fits in it with regular receiver antenna tubes. And then there's also the Immortal T mount that they have with SMA. There's a few different options, and it's like $30 for all that, but I think it's worth it. It seems a little bit much, but when you see the parts in person, it's worth it for sure. They're just so nice. So yeah, this quad turned out really nice. For the battery pad that they send you, that Impulse RC sends you with the frame, I had to cut it a little bit because the session mount gets in the way. So you can see I cut it right there. I had to chop off the front part. It just like came to a point like this side does, but obviously it wouldn't fit up there, so I had to just cut it. But the battery fits on there just perfectly, you know. So, and then these are the batteries I got you, the Race Day Quads 1300s 4S. They fit on here very nice. These are the updated version, I think, that are shorter than the original ones that they had. Pretty nice batteries. So yeah, this thing is just ready to go. You do need an SD card for your session. Other than that, I mean, I got your radio here. I got it bound up. So let me turn that on and show you real quick. Okay, so let's plug in. And here it is, armed. Listen to how smooth those motors are. Man, they are just so damn nice. You know, when you see them online, you're like, $26? Hell no. But then when you actually have them in person, you're like, now I know why they're $26. Because they're so nice. I mean, they just feel like quality. They look quality. Everything about them is quality. But anyway, there it is, ready to go. God, those motors are just so smooth. Let's check the video real quick. So, take this cap off. You got your Unify in the back there on the bottom side of the top plate. It's on Fat Shark Channel 1. And it's looking pretty damn good. There's not anything turned on in the OSD because I updated it to 3.5. So you can go in there and set it to, set up the OSD however you want it. Cause see, when I arm it, there's nothing on in there. So yeah, I updated the flight controller to 3.5, but I never turned anything on in the OSD. So yeah. Oh yeah. That's the Unify right there. The button is on this side right here in front of the zip tie. And then it has smart audio hooked up, so I'm wondering. Oh yeah, okay, never mind. Oh, look at that. They even cut out a notch for the microphone on the camera there. It seems almost like it's made for that camera, but you can see it's almost covering over that plug. It's just like a sliver. Like I wonder if I could have just filed it down. I don't know, but yeah. Anyway, I like these little plastic pieces that go around the screws too for the bottom. I did put Loctite on the screws. The stack's already conformal coated, and everything else is covered up. So actually, you know what? I'll slap some conformal coating over the solder points for the motor wires, and then it should be pretty much completely coated and pretty well waterproof. Water resistant, maybe. Not waterproof. Alright, well, Bruce, thank you for letting me build this for you. Here's your radio. So I got it, it says Alien. You got the Crossfire on the back there with the antenna. This is ARM right here, and this one is your flight modes. So yeah, there you go, man. Thanks.